अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. How are you students? Hope you all are happy, healthy and safe at your home. I am Rabia Naeem, your mathematics teacher from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Let's begin our first revision lecture of math subject for level 5. By the grace of Allah Almighty, we have completed our first term syllabus through videos lectures. I hope you have listened all these lectures carefully and have also completed your home assignments. Let's revise the concepts which are used in page number 3, 4 and 5 of chapter 1, in which we will discuss numbers up to 1 billion. As you all know, we can represent or express numbers in two different ways. First in Pakistani system and second in international system. But in our first term syllabus, we have discussed the way which is used worldwide, means international system. Here is our international place value chart. It shows the periods, places and the digits. And each period contains 3 places. As the units period has the places, units, tens and hundreds. Thousands period has thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Similarly, millions period has the places millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. In the international system, 6-digit numbers are placed in the units and thousands period, whereas the 7, 8 and 9-digit numbers are placed in the units, thousands and millions period. The smallest 9-digit number is 100 million and the biggest 9-digit number is 999,999,999. If we add 1 to the biggest 9-digit number, we get smallest 10-digit number. The smallest 10-digit number is called 1 billion. Let's read and write the numbers using international system. Look at this example. इस एग्जाम्पल को सॉल्व करते हैं. सबसे पहले नंबर्स को हम प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में लिखेंगे. याद रहे कि हमने राइट साइड से लिखना है. फिर इन पीरियड्स के दरमियान स्पेस देते हुए नंबर को लिख लेंगे. अब हर पीरियड को सेपरेटली रीड करते हुए नंबर नेम लिखते जाएंगे, जैसा कि 2 बिलियन, 905 मिलियन, 384,356. लेट्स सॉल्व अनदर एग्जाम्पल जिसमें नंबर नेम दिया गया है और हमने इसको डिजिट्स या फिर फिगर्स में लिखना है. सो रीड द स्टेटमेंट एंड राइट द डिजिट्स इन रिस्पेक्टिव पीरियड्स यूजिंग स्पेसेस. लाइक 3 बिलियन, 209 मिलियन, 750,000 एंड 26. हर पीरियड के दरमियान स्पेस लाजमी देनी है और याद रहे कि 0 को हम रीड नहीं करते लेकिन इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू को लिखते ज़रूर हैं. A digit's position in a number and its resulting value is called place value. As 3 is in the billions place, so its place value is 3 billions. Similarly, the place value of 2 is 200 million. So we can easily find out the place value of every digit with the help of this international place value chart. When we expand a number to show the value of each digit, we are writing that number in expanded form. Orders of numbers. We can arrange the numbers in two different orders. When we arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, we call it ascending order. And when we arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest, we call it descending order. Let's arrange the given numbers in descending order. To arrange the numbers in descending order, first we have to compare the digits and then we arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest. Predecessor and successor. Predecessor refer to the number which comes just before a given number, and successor refer to that number which comes directly after of a given number. To find the predecessor, subtract 1 from the given number, and to find the successor, add 1 to the given number. Let's solve some objective questions from the revision pages. Here 4 types of questions are included in objective part. First is fill in the blanks. Second is true or false. Third is choose the correct answer. And fourth is make list C.
Let's solve fill in the blanks. What is the place value of 8 in the given number? Here place value chart help us to find out the place value of 8. So the place value of required digit is 8 million. The second statement is, in international system, 1 million is a dash digit number. Let's check out how many digits makes 1 million. Here 7 digits makes 1 million. So our answer is 7. 1 million is a 7-digit number. In true or false, we have to state whether the given statement is true or false. The smallest 9-digit number is 10 million. This statement is false because the smallest 9-digit number is 100 million. In second statement, we have to compare the answer by adding 50,000 to the given number. If we add 50,000 to the given number, we will get 261,885,500, which is exactly the same answer as given in the statement. Let's choose the correct answer from the given options. What is the predecessor of 999,999,000? To find the predecessor, we have to subtract 1. After subtracting 1 from the given number, we will get 999,998,999. So the correct answer is the fourth option. The second statement is, in international place value chart, TM means 10 million. So the correct answer is the first option. In make list C, we have given 3 columns, column A, B and C. Column A have statements and their answers have given in the B column. We have to choose the correct answer from the B column and write it into the C column. Now find out the answer from column B and write it into column C. 2,500,000. The predecessor of given number is 2,488,908. The place value of 7 in the given number is 70,000. Here is your home assignment. You have to do practice of exercise 1A, page number 3, 4 and 5. Remember that you have to do your practice work on your practice notebook. Thank you so much for listening this lecture. Allah Hafiz.